If you want your CapCut videos to look sharp, clean, and professional after export, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to export in high quality in CapCut PC step by step, so you can make sure your final video looks as good as it did inside the editor. This is especially important if you're posting to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else where video quality really matters. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the edit is completely finished before you export, because once you start rendering, you want everything ready to go. Check your clips, transitions, text, effects, and audio one last time so you do not have to come back and make changes later. Now look to the top right corner of the screen and click Export. This is where CapCut opens the export settings menu. Here, you will be able to control the quality, resolution, frame rate, and bitrate of your final video. These settings matter a lot because if they are too low, your video can look blurry or compressed after export. Next, enter a name for your video and choose the save location. Giving your file a clear name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you export a lot of videos. Then select the folder where you want CapCut to save the finished file. This could be your desktop, a video exports folder, or any location that makes your workflow easier. Now let's focus on the most important quality settings. Set resolution to the highest available option. In many cases, that will be 1080p, but if your project and source footage support it, you may see 4K as well. The higher the resolution, the sharper your video will look, especially on larger screens. Just remember that exporting in a higher resolution can also create a larger file size. After that, set frame rate to match your source video. If your footage was recorded at 30 FPS, keep it at 30 FPS. If your original clips were recorded at 60 FPS, then select 60 FPS. Matching the frame rate helps keep motion smooth and prevents unnecessary conversion that can affect the final look. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your export consistent with the original footage. Next, set bitrate to higher quality or to the highest available setting in CapCut PC. Bitrate has a big impact on how clean and detailed your video looks after export. A higher bitrate usually means less compression and better image quality, especially in scenes with movement, text, or lots of detail. If you want a more professional result, this is one setting you should never ignore. Before you export, take a quick look at the preview settings and make sure everything looks correct. Double check your resolution, frame rate, and bitrate one more time so you do not accidentally export with the wrong settings. This is the moment to catch any mistakes before rendering starts. Once everything looks good, click export and wait for the video to finish rendering. Depending on your video length, effects, and export settings, this may take a little while. Be patient and let CapCut complete the process. Once it is done, open the exported file and watch it back to confirm that the quality looks right. And that's it. You now know how to export in high quality in CapCut PC the right way. By choosing the highest resolution, matching your frame rate, and using the best bitrate setting, you can make sure your videos come out looking polished and professional every time. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.